Let's review how to use the pulmonary accordion on our medical page. Select the Numbers section, then the Medical page. Click on the Pulmonary Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can organize complex respiratory metrics by locating specific diagnostic instruments like spirometry, gas diffusion, or plethysmography in the table. By following each row across to the Measures and Function columns, you'll instantly find the exact physiological metrics you need, such as forced vital capacity, FVC, diffusion capacity, DLCO, or total lung capacity, TLC, along with their clinical definitions for your case. Use the structured framework to verify the documented severity of respiratory impairment quickly. Once you've reviewed the pulmonary details, you can download them, share via secure links, or continue working within the LawWiz Productivity Suite. It helps legal professionals instantly look up, verify, and standardize pulmonary function test metrics. And that's how you use the LawWiz Pulmonary Accordion.